What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So our splitter finally came in today. Let's check it out right here. It's a Maxton design. It's pretty sharp. It doesn't stick out too much, like out this way. So it'll make it a lot easier getting out of my driveway because I do have a steep apron right there. So, but it will sit lower and it does look sharp. I've seen a lot of different R8s with this splitter on it. I think it's the sharpest one available. So let's get to the install. So as far as tools go, I have some self-tapping screws. We're going to reuse the OEM ones. There's 4 of those we're going to reuse. Also have a T30 bit for those OEM screws. And then Phillips, an adapter, some double-sided tape, and something, little drill to pre-drill the holes for the self-tapping screws, just to give it a little bit. I know you don't really need it because they're self-tapping, but it avoids it from sliding around. I have my Milwaukee. I highly recommend getting one of these if you do not have one. It just makes it a lot easier because I'm going to attempt to do it without raising the car, without jacking the car up. And if you have one of these, you're obviously going to have to jack the car up. So great to have these. Got batteries charging. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these screws. There's 2 on this side and there's 2 on the other. So there is a plastic film on it. Don't remove it just yet. And just to protect it so you don't scratch it, I'm gonna drill the holes out first. And they come with little divots. And I don't know if you can see it there. There's little divots in here. And you just line it up and see which ones you want to use to pre-drill the holes. So these here, this one and this one, we're gonna drill out. And then the same on the other side. That matches the holes for the screws in the bumper.
So you got some 3M tape, and then you're gonna do some self-tapping screws as well for the middle.
Yep.
And that's just so it doesn't sag.
Yep. Now before I put it on the, before I peel this tape off, I've already done it, but make sure you wipe. I took some acetone or some alcohol and wipe the bottom wherever this is gonna adhere to, just to make sure it's a clean surface.
And it'll stick better.
Yeah, we are putting screws too, but it makes just makes it adhere better. All right, guys, so here's a finished product. We put 6 screws in the middle, and then the OEM ones on the sides there. They do send you some screws, some longer ones to replace the OEM ones. If you want to use those as well, I saved them just in case. So that's the finished product. Let me go here to the side here. Looks pretty good. If you guys are interested in grabbing one of these, I'll put the link in the description below. It's Maxton Designs, and you can pick one up for yourself. They range around $350 to $400 after shipping, so not a bad price for them. So I'm digging it. Do you like it?
I like it. I think it looks good.
I think it looks good, and I got some other mods. We're gonna do some cosmetic mods. It's gonna really make it pop. Stay tuned for that one. Thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.